In modern woodworking, precision and flexibility define success. Flat cuts and simple edges are no longer enough when customers demand sculpted chair bodies, flowing 3D panels, twisted handrails, or accurate molds. The ProMaster T4J is designed exactly for that. A true 5-axis, 4-tool CNC router with dual working tables, built to turn complex geometry into consistent production. 2. Operation walkthrough. Place your workpiece on table A, press start, and let the machine begin. While the spindle carves on table A, you prepare the next blank on table B. As soon as the first job finishes, the machine switches automatically, keeping production continuous with almost no idle time. The tool magazine holds for different tools. The machine might begin with a roughing cutter for fast stock removal, then switch to a ball nose for smooth surfacing, followed by a drill or chamfer tool for detailed finishing. All changes are automatic and fast, so the cutting path flows without interruption. Because the T4J runs true simultaneous 5-axis motion, the tool always maintains the perfect angle to the surface. That means cleaner fiber shearing on hardwood, fewer scallop marks on curved faces, and dramatically less sanding after machining. 3. Features and comparisons. Compared to a standard 3-axis nesting router, the difference is clear. A 3-axis machine works well for flat sheets and basic contours, but struggles with double curves, tilted holes, or undercuts. Each feature requires multiple setups, manual fixtures, and realignments. Every new setup increases errors and adds wasted time. The T4J, by contrast, completes the entire part in one cycle, from one datum, with one setup. Accuracy is higher, waste is lower, and production is faster. Compared to a 4-axis router, the T4J goes further. 4-axis machines rotate around one axis, ideal for columns and simple spirals. However, they cannot keep the tool perpendicular to complex double-curved surfaces. This results in heavy scallop marks and rough transitions. The T4J executes simultaneous 5-axis motion, keeping the tool vector perfectly aligned. The result: smoother finish, sharper edges, and precise tolerance on S-curves, saddle shapes, and deep pockets. Even against basic entry-level 5-axis models, the T4J stands out. Many machines only provide a single spindle on a single table. Each cycle requires stopping the machine to unload and reload material. The T4J uses two pendulum-style tables, so the spindle never stops cutting. While one part is running, the next is being staged. 4. Real-world outcomes. With the T4J, a sculpted chair leg that once required 3 setups now completes in one. 3D acoustic wall panels come off the table with surfaces so smooth they require minimal sanding. Mold and die patterns hold sharper edges, cutting finishing work in half. In batch production, the machine's dual tables end. Automatic tool changes reduce cycle times dramatically, while also minimizing operator fatigue and error. 5. Call to action. If your workshop is ready to move beyond flat panels, and if you want true 3D capability with real throughput, the ProMaster T4J is your next step. From prototype to full-scale production, one machine handles it all. Unlock 5-axis freedom, deliver premium results on every project, and transform the way you manufacture.